Yeah! Hey! Fishing with Matt. Matt Fishing. Fishing with Adnan. Today we're doing live bait. We got a bucket of suckers and fatheads. We're gonna test our luck here for a few hours. Maybe fish into the night. We've got light up bobbers. I hear there's walleye at the secret spot that I'll never tell anyone. Let's see what happens. There we go. Adnan's got one on the dead sucker.
Hey, got our money's worth.
All right, they're gonna eat it. That's a good sign. Oh my goodness, acrobatics.
Better, yeah.
Nice,
Better
dude.
than what I thought it was.
Look at that. They're all so nice in here.
Here, I'll do you a justice, my friend. Can you hold my rod? I won't drag them through the muck and the dirt.
Yeah.
Whoop. Maybe.
Perfect hook set too.
Yep.
Nice.
All right.
Hold it
Not a
up.
bad start.
Yeah. Here.
Take it. Pretty fish.
Here.
Thank you, sir.
Stand over here. See, so you can, yeah, there we go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Nice.
Oh, I can see it on the.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's a nice little guy.
All
Good
right.
start.
Little release.
Well, he got to eat it.
Yeah.
Not in his mouth. All right, fella. Oh, I'm getting so wet. Oh,
There he goes.
all right.
Nice. One.
Yeah.
Yo, bobber's gone. No, it's not. It's right there. Oh, Matt. Got one on the jig off the bottom. Right where you were at, too. They don't even care about the live bait. Oh, it feels like a nice one, too. Oh, and he came off. Oh. Damn it. Let's see if there's another one over there. Nice one. Stay on, stay on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Just chunks in here. Look at that. Yes. Oh, my God. Just. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the belly on this one. Dude, look at that.
Eight. Look how fat that is.
Wow. On the jig. They don't care about live bait. They want it off the bottom right now.
Yep. Well, you know what?
There he goes. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
All right. Oh my goodness. I was just trying to bring the jig back in. Got close to the weed line, so I stopped reeling. Sure enough, this dude picked it up. Nothing huge, but oh my gosh. They're just so eager to bite here. And there he goes. All right. Yeah.
Get your scale, buddy.
Oh,
Get
dude.
your scale, buddy.
Dude.
This is still a nice fish, bro. Don't get me wrong. It's 3 something for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Hang on, let me get one shot for your camera.
Yeah.
Pretty fish. Let me back up.
That's nice.
I mean, it's a nice looking
Oh,
fish,
yeah.
dude. Most action we've seen for a minute. Go ahead. My guess is like right under 3.5.
Okay.
You good?
Yep. Nope. 3 on the nose.
Is it really?
Yep.
Okay. Well, still
Ready?
a good fish.
You got him?
Yep, I got him.
Oh, yeah.
All right, buddy.
Nice.
Thanks for biting. They are chunky though.
Oh,
Look at
dude, all of them.
Dude.
There's no skinny fish in here.
No, really. Beautiful fish, man. I'll take it. Finally. Took a minute. Dude, you didn't want all that live bait we gave you?
Right?
I don't understand.
There he goes. Nice. Yeah.
And also what I was...
All right. A little update. Probably can't see anything, but straight ahead there, huge full moon. Barely see my bobber on the surface there. Little glow bobber. Still with the live sucker. Oh, something just swirled next to it. I'm gonna see what happens. Muskrat. So never mind. Odd and odds on the other side. We're gonna see what happens. You got the light on him?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Super hard to see. Didn't even get it on camera. 4 pounds, 14 ounces, right?
Yep.
Good Lord, look at the
You
size of this
You
thing.
want to hold the light, and I'll hold the fish for you into your camera.
Yeah.
Try not to step on your shit here.
Oh,
Pointed at me.
yeah.
Alright, I'm pretty sure they
Yeah.
can see it.
Look at that.
Beautiful fish. Look
Oh
at that guy.
my gosh. 4 pounds, 14 ounces.
Beautiful.
Look at the gut on that thing, dude. Oh my goodness.
That's a beautiful fish.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Good job, my friend.
All right.
You want
Here,
to release it?
yeah, you want to hold the light?
Yep.
All right.
Alright.
Here we go. Goodness, this thing is a tank. There he goes.
Good job, man. I'm happy for you.
Dude.
Alright, something's blown up over there. Alright, time to jig, man. I'm done with this live bait.
Oh my gosh. I'm with you. Wow.
Jig. Watch your
Wow.
pole.
Yep.
Step on your stuff. You good?
Wow, wow, wow. Yep.
Oh, man, good job, bro.
Dude, you were here for that.
Yeah. I'm glad, man.
Oh.
It had to be a matter of time because that was not working. But that works.
Just slimed.
Hey, that's good slime.
Oh my god. It didn't even feel that big. Bringing it through.
What were you using? This?
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
just normal jig.
Dude, I was just bringing it through the grass.
Yeah. That's what's
And
up.
he hit it.
That's what's up. Awesome.
Wow. All right.
All right. Good deal.